Alright, so we've got a remote control car here. This is a DEERC, model number DE33. This should be blue. They have a yellow one, which you can see from the packaging. So let's go ahead and get it open. Let's see what we got in here, folks. I have to be careful with the packaging because this is going to go to my grandson. So we don't want to destroy anything and make it look like it's not totally new when he gets it. So, just so you can see the box, different sides of it. It's got auto follow, interesting. It's almost like you get your own buddy, your own friend, if it'll follow you. Alright, so what do we got in here? So we got something else underneath here. Okay. So obviously I see a car and on-off switch on the bottom, possibly a power port there, we'll find out, and a couple of sensors on top, it looks like. Not necessarily sure what the ball is. We'll find out though. And then we use two hands to get the remote out of here. Okay, that didn't damage any product. Alright, so there's the remote. Pretty basic. Looks like it takes batteries, so we will find some batteries and we'll play with this thing. I may need to charge it up first, so let's do that. Before we move on, there's some info about cautions of battery. Here's instructions for use. Welcome to contact us if there's any problems. And then, what is this, folks? Oh, this must be a racing track here. Interesting. We'll have to try and get the folds out of it and check that out. So it also came with a screwdriver and a USB charger. Alright, so I'm charging it up. We took the lid off of the remote. AAA batteries, okay, 2 of those. Alright, so got a charge on this. I didn't charge it all the way because I want to play with it. Turn the button on-off switch to on, and then the remote, that would appear to be the on button. There's a mute button.
Remote control mode.
So let's see what we can do here. Okay, so going up, that's forward. But let me zoom out, folks. I'm gonna miss all the excitement if I. So then going down on the left stick is going up is forward, backwards is down, and then this allows you to do all kinds of cool things. So interesting. Alright, so this just does a spin maneuver. So to change your direction, it does not appear you can use these together to make it turn. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the mute button. There's a volume button here and music. So let's see. Okay, it's different sounds. And then I'm going to hit the mute again. So kind of cool for a young kid to play with. Now that's what we've done so far. Alright, so a lot of things with this car. One is the auto follow. So there is a button on here. On the back it would appear. That's the mode button. And basically you're going to hold it for 1 second and you should hear the auto follow tone.
Auto follow.
Okay, so. Whoa. Not sure what it's calling. Yikes. Okay. So, interesting. Looks like it's following my, so it'll follow my hand, and then kind of cool.
Obstacle avoided.
Woo! All right. So there you go, folks. Fun toy for the kids to play with, and all kinds of things to enjoy. Alright, so I'm having fun with this. I'm going to get to figure out how to use it. It's, interesting. If you want to snap it back out of one of the modes, just click on the remote. Otherwise, you got to hold in the mode button.
Auto follow.
So this is interesting. It will definitely follow you. Woo! Alright, so folks, I'm going to shut this off. That ends it for the DEERC DE33 Smart Toy. Pretty cool. I've enjoyed playing with it. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe.